Well, hello. This is Yoshi's cooking show. If you don't like it, I'll cook you on these tonight. So you better like it. Oh, you're dead. So, first, Bella, my assistant, will get me my food. Okay, we need...
Where's my food?
Go in the toy pile. Find food in the toy pile.
Hey, please. What do you need?
You know what? Bobby, you go get them instead.
I got toast.
We need toast, lemons, 2 lemons. We need a fat unicorn and a Teletubby. No, an apple and a Teletubby. Apple. There you go.
Do you need a dead person?
No, we're having Teletubby soup. So,
And unicorn fat soup.
no, it's called Teletubby soup.
I'll get a pan now.
First,
Do you need some bacon?
yes, we need bacon. Firstly, you get the Teletubby.
You cook it.
No, first. You hit. Dang.
We need a bigger cooker.
You get the Teletubby like this and start banging it head first to there. And next, if it's not flipping dead, you need to get a knife and chop its head off and burn it, his body and head a bit, and then you cut his body in half.
No.
I'm sorry, that's very gruesome, but this is how you're going to have Teletubby soup. It's cooking show. Maybe not, you do not do that, right? Child safety. You do not cut his head off.
Here, I've got the food already. But my baby sister just ruined it. Off it.
Why does my sisters always need to ruin this?
I'm not ruining anything. She's ruining it.
I
Why
didn't
do you need these?
I didn't say it. It was Bobby who said it. Yep, it was.
What do you want?
You put lemon on the cooker for half an hour. We see you in half an hour, right here. Half an hour later. Now, you seen us half an hour later. Now, the lemon should be
Bobby,
cooked.
watch out. I need to
Now you get a knife and you chop. What? Really? Now you chop with your phone. You get a phone and you chop on the lemons. Now you get the apple and put it in the oven for an hour within the stews. And then you add the lemon juice later on. So hour and a half hours later. Wait a minute, hour and a half later. Now they should be done. Then you add the lemon juice on to the pastry. And then add the apple. Now you should have your Teletubby soup. Dang it! You do that all again and you have your Teletubby soup. So,
Bye.
so